Having spent hours with mechanics in different garages across Europe, we came to fully understand their frustrations with their current work carts when it comes to durability, maneuverability, and overall user experience. This led us to the conclusion that we had to redefine what a professional mechanic's work cart should be. And today, I'm proud to introduce to you the new Milwaukee 40-inch steel work cart. This new cart is equipped with numerous storage solutions designed to optimize storage and maximize your efficiency at work. Good organization and access to the most frequently used tools and parts are made easy with additional compartments designed into the top part of the cart. The two movable cups can be used for storage of hand tools or insoles, but they can also be flipped upside down to create flush surface, or even removed completely, and use the openings to transport long vertical items such as metal rods. On the back, there is a 22 kilogram rated foldable shelf, which provides additional working surface when needed. And on the right-hand side, the cart features V-grooves to hold material, for example, when cutting or measuring. Below, there are also two movable shelves perfect for storing bottles or cans, as well as a storage bar, which can be used to store spool wires or paper rolls. The cart also features a power center, which enables users to charge battery packs, tools, and any electronic devices directly on the cart. It is magnetic, so you can attach it anywhere you like while working. The top drawer has been rated at 45 kilograms thanks to very premium and durable drawer slides. It also features a soft close function, which prevents the drawer from being shut too abruptly and keeps all your tools in place. The bottom shelf is rated to support up to 90 kilograms. Therefore, it will be perfect to store even your most bulky equipment. For example, large pack-out boxes full of tools. This bottom shelf can slide in or out to give you much easier access to these heavy items. The 40-inch steel work cart has been built to be very durable and stable. It features a strong angle frame, which guarantees a weight capacity of 315 kilograms. We also equipped it with 125mm industrial casters, two fixed and two swivelling with brakes, which ensures that the cart is easy to maneuver, but at the same time stays stable. This cart has been designed to be very mobile, so for extra safety, all four corners are covered with rubber bumpers, which protects the cart when rolling it around, but also against any accidental contact with other equipment in your garage. For professional mechanics, we have engineered a work cart that does not have to be simply two shelves on wheels, but instead a complete mobile storage solution packed with features. From numerous shelves and drawers, organization compartments for sprays, cans, hand tools, laptops, and any other electronic devices, as well as our built-in power center. We have taken the traditional mobile tool storage into the 21st century with the new Milwaukee 40-inch steel work cart.